Hola amigos, Michelle here. How's it going? Have a question for you. Do you practice yoga? Or would you like to try? Or if you practiced it before, have you experienced the effects of practicing it every day? Now, I'm not talking about a full-on hour and a half yoga class every day. I'm talking about something a little more feasible, like 10 to 20 minutes a day. Think of all the things that take up 10 to 20 minutes of your day. Maybe watching Instagram or Facebook videos. You might already know that yoga does wonders for your mind and body, like helping your body become more flexible, able to balance more stably, more agile or strong, or that you can actually use specific breathing techniques to regulate your nervous system when you're feeling stressed or triggered. And that you can also use a sequence of yoga poses and skillful breathing strategies to uplift your mood or energize yourself. Maybe you've experienced some of the effects of meditation, like feeling more grounded, resilient, or attuned to the present moment, even in moments of chaos. Tinkling with a yoga class here and there can give you doses of peace and feelings of empowerment. But what if you tried it every day for a month? Imagine how you might impact your overall well-being and your relationship to life all around you. I started practicing yoga every day about 11 or so years ago. And it started with getting up in the morning, first thing, turning on my timer and setting it for 3 minutes. I sat up in bed and meditated. I did this for months. And eventually I became curious. This started to build a sense of clarity in me. I started to understand certain patterns of my thinking and doing that I wanted to see, well, what if I made it 5 minutes a day? And then eventually 10 minutes a day. And then gradually I created a sequence of yoga poses that specifically targeted my needs for my physical body and energetic state. And then gradually over the years, I added a sequence of breathing techniques as well. And I can honestly say that practicing yoga every day, especially first thing in the morning, has shifted so much in my perspective, in my physical body, and how I deal with things, especially the most challenging things that have happened in my life. I won't go on and on about how yoga has affected me, because my point in creating this video is actually to be able to share the experience with you, that is letting you experience how it will uniquely affect you to have a daily yoga practice. So starting January 1st, 2022, for 28 days, I'm offering an online series of 10 to 20 minutes a day of yoga practices to guide you through a specifically sequenced breath work, meditation, yoga postures, and a related theme of yoga philosophy or mindfulness to go along with it. And each session is a different practice, and we'll graduate from 10 minutes, like I said, to 20 minutes eventually. And the practices are open for any experience level. Beginners are welcome. People who've been practicing yoga for many years are welcome. It's a way to own your practice and use your practice as your teacher, and to continue on after these 28 days, perhaps, after you've felt the effects of doing it every day. So if you've seen my posts in the past few years, you might already gather that this is a resounding theme. Practice yoga every day. And it's something that I'm pretty passionate about. Why? Besides the ways that I've experienced its effects, because I sincerely believe that if more people practiced yoga every day with integrity and consistency, we would activate something deep within us that would inevitably ripple peace and well-being into all our relationships besides within ourselves. Our relationship with our loved ones, family members, people we've become distant to, or strangers, communities, the planet, everything. So take a look. The link is below, roottariseyoga.org/daily-yoga, and see if you're interested. I hope to be able to share this with you. Thanks for watching.